Simulation games. What are simulation games? Imagine stepping into a world where you're not just playing a game, but living a life, managing a city, or piloting a spacecraft. Simulation games are exactly that, a genre designed to replicate real or imagined systems. Whether you're a mayor in SimCity or a virtual family planner in The Sims, simulation games put you in control of dynamic, evolving environments. The origins of simulation games. Let's rewind to the 1960s. The Sumerian game pioneered resource management simulations, and the genre took flight with games like SimCity in 1989. These early titles weren't just entertainment, they were experiments in recreating complex systems, paving the way for games that mimic reality while giving players the freedom to experiment. AI, the game changer. Now, here's where things get fascinating. AI isn't just a buzzword, it's the beating heart of modern simulation games. It powers NPCs that think, react, and even outsmart us. AI in The Sims brought virtual characters to life with emotions and relationships, while in City Builders, it predicts and adapts to our every move, making each game uniquely personal. Augmented reality, the bridge to the real world. Picture this: you're walking in your neighborhood, catching Pokémon that appear right in front of you. That's AR at work. Augmented reality has turned our physical world into a playground, blending the digital with reality. It's just the beginning. AR in simulation games could redefine how we interact with virtual systems in our daily lives. Virtual reality, total immersion. Now, close your eyes and imagine being inside the game. Virtual reality doesn't just let you play, it lets you be. Whether you're soaring above cities in Flight Simulator VR or performing virtual surgeries, VR transforms gaming into an all-encompassing sensory experience, erasing the line between virtual and real. When AI, AR, and VR collide, the future of simulation games lies at the crossroads of AI, AR, and VR. Together, they create adaptive, lifelike, immersive worlds. Imagine building a city in VR where AI populates it with realistic citizens, while AR lets you see your creation projected onto your coffee table. The possibilities are as endless as our imaginations. The societal impact of simulation games. Simulation games don't just entertain, they educate and inspire. Civilization teaches history, strategy, and leadership. The Sims fosters creativity and empathy. These games aren't just simulations of systems, they're simulations of life, helping players explore cultures, relationships, and even ethics in a safe, virtual space. The turning point, creativity as gameplay. Remember The Sims? Its release in 2000 was a watershed moment. Unlike traditional games with clear objectives, it let players tell their own stories, manage lives, and embrace creativity. This sandbox approach broadened gaming's appeal, bringing in millions of players who never saw themselves as gamers. The turning point, realism meets utility. But simulation games didn't just change gaming, they changed the real world. Microsoft Flight Simulator isn't just fun, it's used in actual pilot training. Games like Surgeon Simulator offer a playful, educational spin on serious skills. These games proved that simulation could bridge entertainment and real-world application. The future of simulation games. So, what's next? Imagine simulations so realistic they're indistinguishable from reality. AI-driven cities that evolve as you do. AR layers that blend seamlessly into your environment. VR worlds where you can create, explore, and even solve real-world problems. Simulation games are no longer about what is, they're about what could be. Simulation games are more than a genre, they're a movement. They've turned gaming into a tool for creativity, education, and exploration. And as technology advances, they'll continue to shape not just how we play, but how we learn, connect, and imagine our world.